Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get logged into your Bank of America credit cards account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know the exact process on it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC. Now there, search for Bank of America credit card login. Now from the search result, tap on this online banking /login/user ID link. And once you tap on it, it will directly take into its login page. Now type in your user ID and password of your account. If in case you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on this forget your password link. And if you want this user ID to be remembered by your system, then you can check the square box. But if you don't want that or you're using others or shared device, then make sure to uncheck this box. Now once you type in your credentials correctly, tap on login button to get logged into your Bank of America. And once you get logged into your Bank of America, you will get access to your Bank of America credit card. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your Bank of America credit card account online. I hope this video was useful. If it was, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.